channel. So this is part 1 of my beauty studio, and this is we're gonna play this one, which is not a beauty studio, but we're gonna play as this one because this is actually so cute and so relaxing. So we will play the game, only game channel. So we're not gonna talk about that, but we're gonna do it as in. So this is part 1 of my this one, and this is actually my beauty studio too, with my things, which is my puppets toys. I brought them in my school here. And actually at my school, this is my room school, but this is not my room school. This is just the ending of the school part thing, and that's the room. Yeah, but we're not gonna go there after all because this is only my house, and you know all of this is my favorites. So I will instead bring this at my office. So I have this one, which is I don't know how to do it, but last time I did it, but now I don't. So we're gonna go to beauty studio for this, and this is the beauty studio. So this is actually pretty nice since I get here, and this is great. So I've been working here for a long time already. So I'm so excited because bukas is Chicha's birthday. So don't tell Chicha that because that's a surprise for her. Diba, Mami? Bukas. So guys, iyan na tayo, and I'm so excited talaga kasi magre-ready ako. Gigising ako ng maaga para maka-eat lang ako ng breakfast ko. And mag-set up na ako. And mag-base na ako ng clothes ko na ganito. And I'm so excited to do that kasi bukas ay Chicha's birthday. So yeah, I'm so excited for that. And just don't tell Chicha about that because that's a prank for Chicha. I'm gonna also prank her and her because I want to surprise her, like he will get I'm so excited to do that. So let's see if it will get that. Thank you. This is the beauty studio, this is where me and Mommy set up the birthday or the pencils or the birthdays. Yeah, this is where we actually decorated for some reason. This is what I like, but this is what I like for me. So yeah, I'm so excited to give her her gift, which is this. Actually, I will give her this gift because you know this is hers. So I'm gonna give him. I will give him this one too, actually, because I'm not even using it right now. So it's hers, and this is mine. This is actually binili ko ni Gina, and akin na to. So ito yung present niya. Kasi yan, ang ganda ng mga present niya, pero mas maganda yung present ko from my own present. So so yeah. So yeah, nakikita niyo naman yung earrings ko na maganda. Kasi silver to. Dati actually nawala, and asa kanal yun. So yung kayo nugasan na ni Mami, and ito na yung earrings ko na maganda. Ayan, ang ganda-ganda. So yeah, thanks for watching our video. Ito yung setup ko for this. So celebrate the party. So wag natin atalyod kasi andito lang siya sa may tabi ko. vlog, which is a part 2 of